I just ran into a couple of lady hikers that had been infested with ticks just as I begin this trail. So we'll see how it goes. So I've come up on the first view here. This is a fascinating vista. Not sure what that is in the background, but sure is pretty. All right, so starting at the Jackson Road trailhead, there's a very long downhill. I mean, it's probably more than a quarter mile. And then the next step is straight uphill. You get almost no break from the downhill to going straight uphill. And I climb stairs every day, and this is just a lot. It really is. But rather than complain about it, I just want to enjoy the outdoors. It is still beautiful out here, even if I'm breathing heavy. And immediately after that last bit, I found a nice flat area here. So I'm going to park it for just a minute and catch my breath and then head on up after I get this fly off my head. Yeah, he really likes my forehead. All right, this is with my camera pointed straight forward. And that's where we're going. All right, my watch says that I have gone 0.83 miles, and I've already come to the foot of Round Knob. I'm calling it the foot because I'm here on sort of a level area, and that is up there. I would say it's probably 75 feet up. You can still see plenty of damage from the 2012 tornado that came through here. So reaching the summit is not quite as easy as you might expect. I do believe that we are coming up on the summit right here. There's a nice little cleared area up here, and definitely looks like there have been campers here, probably for 100 years or more, people visiting this place. I did bring a little tarp with me so I could get a break from the sun. It's really tempting to spend the night out here because I don't think there's much that could compare to that view. That's just pretty amazing. It looks a whole lot better than my bedroom walls. All right, so that is the trail that I came up on. But I'm gonna try going out this way over here. I think there's a path over there that leads down the hill on the other side. If that doesn't work, then I think there's one here. Well, I've made it back to the KT, and I think it may have been just as steep coming down this side as it was the other side. And it also looks like I came down further than I did on the other side. So I will be going back up this trail to get back to where I came from when I first started up the hill. Here we go. So I just happened up on this huge flat area that will be great for tent camping. Sorry if I'm making you sick moving the camera around, but I believe that I took a wrong turn, and that's how I ended up here. I believe if I follow this, it's going to curve me back around to meet up with where I'm supposed to be. So the sun's going down. It'll be a little bit. I've got time enough to get back to my car. But this has been a really awesome day. I really feel like, I don't know. I feel like it's kind of a breakthrough day. This is my first solo hike pretty much ever. As far as like a real hike out in the wilderness. I'm really happy about this. And it's been a great experience, and I'm really looking forward to doing a lot more hikes. Yeah, I'm definitely on a different path than the way I came. I believe that I'm on the horse trail because there's horse prints everywhere. And oh my gosh, these hills are so much steeper going this way than they are on the people trail. And this is what it looks like going forward.
I did survive that hill and a few more before I made it back to the trailhead. Thanks for going along with me on this quick out and back trip from Jackson Road Trailhead to Round Knob.